Welcome back to Cooking with Ash. Today in the kitchen, we will be preparing this rich and creamy flan. That's right. What is flan? Flan is a creamy custard dessert topped with caramel that's popular in Mexico, Spain, and Latin America. Hey, we have our similar dessert like this in Guyana, and we call it baked custard or steamed custard. In my opinion, it's pretty much the same thing without the caramel sauce on top. This is so rich and creamy and full of delicious flavors. You're going to enjoy it. So let's get into the kitchen and start preparing our flan. Here I have my pot. I went in with 4 tablespoons of sugar and I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of water. You want to give this a good old mix. And we're going to bring this to a boil. We're going to prepare the caramel sauce by bringing this up to temperature. You want to give it medium to low heat. Do not walk away from the caramel. Want the thing burn. About maybe 5 to 6 minutes into it, this is what it's going to look like. You see that beautiful caramel color? Go ahead and pour it in your pan that you're going to steam or bake your custard in. You want to, swirl it around so it coats the bottom of the pan. So when you flip this, you get caramel all on top the, nice rich custard that you're going to make and put here. Let it sit and, the caramel is going to get hard. The sugar here is going to crystallize and get hard. While we prepare our nice custard, right? This is so simple and easy. I went in there with 2 eggs, and you want to beat your eggs good, okay? Use your muscle. Where you get muscle for, work it out, your hand muscle. I am going in with 1 teaspoon of mixed essence. If you do not have mixed essence, go ahead and use vanilla extract, or you can use some almond essence. Listen, use what you have in your pantry, and don't make nobody dictate for you, okay? Give this a good whisk. Now we're going to go in with our sugar. I'm using half cup of sugar here, and this is to your sweetness preference, okay? Look, this sugar try choke me or something by, right? Yes. So your sweetness preference. If you want to add more, go ahead. If you want to add less, go ahead. Don't come and tell me, oh, that's too much sugar for you. When you get the choice to do what you want. Use a big woman, use a big man. You run your show, okay? In goes our evaporative milk, and like a good old Guyanese, get all out of the can, right? Lean them to your mouth and shake it out. You're going to give this a good whisk. You want everything to combine very nice and smooth here. You don't want any big clumps of sugar or anything. We're going to strain this a few times. That's right. You get rid of any big pieces of sugar, egg, or anything that is not melted well. You want a nice smooth custard. Here we have our pan, our caramel set, as you can see, nice and hard. Go ahead and pour this into your pan. You can use a smaller pan if you would like your custard to be thicker. Here I'm using a wooden skewer to break up any bubble, like chuck them up all over, chuck them. Get rid of the bubbles. And we're going to go ahead and take a piece of foil paper and securely cover this. You want to cover the thing tight, right? You want to trap the steam. You have 2 options of doing this. You can do it stovetop, steam it, or you can bake it. Today, my choice is to steam it. I have my pan here with the water, with a rack. I put my pan, I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to let it steam anywhere from 35 to 40 minutes. After that, go ahead and remove the foil paper and check your custard if it's ready. You're going to know if it's ready by when you shake the pan and the pan starts screaming, it's jiggling, it's jiggle it. You see there? You know it's ready. Or take a wooden skewer, insert it, and when you see the skewer clean, like you see that, it clean, you know it's ready. Go ahead, take it out, let it come down to room temperature, cover it, pop it in your refrigerator for about 4 to 6 hours. Then go ahead and take your spatula or knife or something and run it at the side of this and use your plate and flip it over. Okay, this is pure satisfaction. Flip it over. You want it to come out nice and clean. Pray to God you come out nice and clean. I mean, it's like Beatle drum on top. And there you go. Beautiful. I know y'all eager for a taste tester. I'm the taste tester. You see this caramel juice? I can just put a straw and suck it up. But this thing is so rich, moist, and delicious. Look at this. You see that syrup a drip? Ooh, I gotta get a little bit more. If you know, you know. You know you need to drink this syrup. Listen, melt in your mouth, okay? So delicious. I need all y'all to run and go try this recipe, because believe me, you're gonna be hooked. Mmm. Mm 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 mm. Just the juice, okay? Mmm. So good. So I hope you guys have a blessed weekend. You try this recipe and you enjoy it as much as we love it. Thank you so much for joining us in the kitchen, sending our love, thanks, and gratitude. See you guys soon with another delicious recipe. Bye, Miss Other Part. Look, y'all gal did sugar design to put on top, right? I know me extra. Y'all know me extra, okay? Send them a love to all y'all. Stay blessed. See you guys soon.